This is your 2.2 practice on page 5 in your binder. I'm going to review how to do number 6 really quick. Step 1 is that I'm going to make this a plus negative and a plus negative. Now I'm going to distribute. 7 times 10 is 70x. 7 times negative 8 is negative 56. I'm going to add 1 right there. 2 times 1 is 2x. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. So first I multiplied by distributing. Now I'm just going to add my like terms. 70 and 2 are like. 72 plus negative 56 plus negative 14 is a negative 70. I need to put an X on that 72. I'm sorry. So your final answer is 72x plus negative 70. I need you to pick 3 more problems, any 3 on this page, and solve them. When you're done with that, I need you to look at this next page. I need you to solve these 4 problems in addition to the 3 you just solved on the other page. So you can pause this, or I'll post a picture of this in the assignments also. Thank you.